Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Reading and knowing about some of the terms related to insurance, so decided to share with my Rubal Solutions family, as here on this channel we tell you the basic things in simple English language. We really hope and wish that it's helpful and useful. Now let's get started. Define automobile vehicle insurance. Vehicle insurance is the insurance for car, trucks, motorcycles, and other road vehicles. Vehicle insurance may additionally offer financial protection against theft of vehicle and against damage to the vehicle sustained from events other than traffic collision, such as keen weather or natural disaster, and damage sustained by colliding with stationary objects. The specific terms of vehicle insurance vary with legal regulations in each region. In many jurisdictions, it is compulsory to have vehicle insurance before using or keeping a motor vehicle on public roads. Most jurisdictions relate insurance to both the car and the driver. However, the degree of each varies greatly. Several jurisdictions have experimented with as pay-as-you-drive insurance plan, which utilizes either a tracking device in vehicle or vehicle diagnostics. This would address issues of uninsured motorists by providing additional options and also charge based on miles driven, which could theoretically increase the efficiency of insurance through streamlined collection. A compulsory car insurance scheme was first introduced in United Kingdom with the Road Traffic Act 1930. This ensured that all vehicle owners and drivers had to be insured for the liabilities for injury or death to third party while their vehicle was being used on public road. Germany enacted similar legislation in 1938-39 called the Act of Implementation of Compulsory Insurance for Motor Vehicles Owner. I hope you get to know about this topic. Interested people, please spread the educational knowledgeable video on our channel. We are really grateful and thankful for the same. In the end, we would like to say that please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love, love. Have a nice day.